This week we cover chapter 15 in medical terminology, which is your musculoskeletal system, which breaking down that word into our word parts looks like it would be pertaining to the muscles and the skeletal bones or bones. So looking at the introduction and starting in the beginning of your chapter, again, a lot of anatomy and physiology. Not that it's not important, but we really want to focus on the terminology and the language here in this class. I would say the most where you would need to start here would be your vocabulary. Your yellow boxes are always good to go along through and read through. And then terminology. We have two sections. This is a pretty big chapter. So make sure you focus throughout. There's going to be a terminology or blue box section for bones. And then they'll go through pathology, which a lot of that is very common and important. The types of joints is very good. Then we get into blue boxes, a second set of them, which we haven't had before, for muscles, okay? Or the joints, excuse me, for joints. And then we go through pathology on the joints. Again, there's a lot of really good pictures here for us and really good diseases. And then we get into terminology and blue boxes of muscles. Okay, so we have new combining forms, suffixes, and prefixes there. Really good lab tests and procedures, and then an abbreviation list, and then that's the end of the chapter. So the chapter is split up. I want you to make sure you pay attention to that as you're reading through.